and welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, I have this back to school makeup look for you guys, which is very fresh looking and young looking, and I love how this look turned out. This is the perfect look for you girls out there who are about to go to school this month or next month. And this is very easy to do. It won't take much of your time, especially alam naman natin pag nagpe-prepare tayo sa school, we have to always hurry up. Well, most of the time, right? Plus, the good thing about this look is that I used all affordable makeup products. Promise, almost all is below 200 pesos. Sana na magustuhan nyo itong ating makeup tutorial for today. But before we begin, if you haven't already, I would appreciate if you guys will hit the subscribe button and the bell notification so you'll get notified whenever I post new videos and so that you'll be part of our clique here. So if you guys want to know how I did this fresh looking back to school makeup look, then just keep watching. Okay, so for brows, isa sa mga favorite kong gamitin is this Essence Eyebrow Designer na pencil. This is only 149 pesos. I've been using this a lot, pero marami pa rin siya. Ilang beses ko na itong natasahan and all. Well, wala siyang spoolie, but it has this brush. So if you're looking for an affordable brow pencil, this one I highly recommend. What I like about this pencil is this is not too waxy. Hindi siya mahirap i-draw. To school. Kasi ako, natatandaan ko before when I was still studying, I don't really wear foundation. Alam ko, powder lang yung ginagamit ko. Pero nasa inyo yun if you'll wear foundation or not. But if you're gonna wear a foundation, I'd suggest something that's very lightweight. So, alam niyo na kung anong gagamitin ko. So today, I'm gonna use the L'Oreal Infallible 24-Hour Freshwear. I've said this a lot of times already, but this is one of the most comfortable, lightweight, but with very good coverage na foundation that you can find in the market. Plus, mura lang siya as compared to other foundations. So, perfect siya for, you know, student budget. Alright, so foundations on. As you can see, ang ganda talaga ng lapat niya on the face. Komportable talaga siya sa mukha. Perfect if yung class mo is like a whole day class, diba? Kasi ayaw mo naman nung mag-feeling greasy ka or tacky throughout the day. So, ayan. Kung wala kang dark circles on your eyes, you can do away without putting any concealer. But if you're like me, and alam mo na, kailangan natin ng tulong. And for concealer, I'm just gonna use the Maybelline Fit Me, which is also an affordable product. Yeah. Lagi rin itong naka-sale sa Watsons. So, kung wala pang budget, abang-abang sa sale. Kahit sa Lazada, always itong naka-sale. Minsan, they have yung parang bundles pa with other Maybelline products. So, if you're looking for good deals, hintayin nyo yung mga ganun nila sa Lazada. Okay, so to set my face, actually yung under eye area lang isa-set ko and ibang mga areas on the face na nilagyan ko ng concealer. So I'm just gonna use this EB bronzer and powder na duo, which I got, if I'm not mistaken, around 150 pesos lang din to. As in, super affordable niya. Yeah, I'm gonna use the powder first on my under eye. And And then for bronzer, if gusto mong mag-bronzer sa school, you can bronze your face very lightly naman. If you're just going to school, why not, right? So,
I know you told your friend you're not okay, and tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. And guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray as you fade away. As you fade away.
Yeah, I'm about to fade away, cause every time I wake up I feel like it's Monday. Something's going wrong with all the chemicals up in my brain. All of a sudden I don't look at anything the same way. Got a build up of my thoughts sitting in an ashtray. I'm sorry that I'm so inconvenient, okay. Just let me be me and I'll stay out of your way. I can see the way you look at me, I'm such a disgrace. I never really asked to be brought into this place. You wanna love me? Well then baby have a taste. All the highs and the lows, no, you'll never be the same. I don't really wanna hurt you, but I can't control the pain. If you're sticking by my side, maybe we could be okay. Okay, maybe you could be the change I need today. I promise that I've never felt this way. I really hope that you will choose to stay through all the pain.
I know you told your friend you're not okay, and tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. Guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray as you fade away. As you fade away. As you fade away.
so we just want a parang subtle shimmer. Subtle ba yan? Basta we just want to add a little shimmer on the cheekbones, di ba? Para naman pag na-hit ng light yung ating mukha, glowy tayong tingnan. So, I think that's good. Now, I wouldn't do any eye look for today. Hindi ako mag-eyeshadow kasi let's be honest na kung papasok ka lang sa school, I don't think you have to wear eyeshadow, but you can definitely wear eyeliner. So, I'll go straight to eyeliner. You can use a pen eyeliner, but for today, I'm just gonna use a cream gel liner in brown. So, this is from ColourPop. And what I'm gonna do is, I'm gonna create sort of a wing, parang half wing. Wait, I'll zoom you in. This is really how I did my eyeliner back when I was in college. So, what I love to do is, ilaline ko siya hanggang sa half lang ng aking eyelids. And then, i-connect ko siya sa ilalim. And then, I'm going to line my waterline, but only until half. Okay, so something like that. Actually, napakapal yung lagay ko. So, I'm just gonna do the same on the other eye and I will be right back. Okay, so my eyeliner is on. Hindi sila pantay, but okay lang yan, guys. So, now I'm gonna move on to mascara. And this is probably one of the cheapest mascaras that you'll find in the market. And it's the Maybelline Hypercurl Volume Express. This is also always on sale. Like, ito ang akin, nabili ko to 149 pesos lang eh. Sa Watsons. Lagi siyang naka-on sale sa Watsons or sa Lazada. So, if you haven't tried this yet, check it out. Baka mag-work sa inyo. Kasi for me, you know, my lashes, they are non-existent. Pero ito, pag ginagamit ko siya, natutuwa naman ako kahit paano. So, okay na ako sa aking face makeup. And for the lips, I would recommend that you wear a lipstick that's neutral, that's easy to wear, that you can wear all throughout the day without, you know, worrying about it bleeding or na mag-wear off siya badly in the middle of the day or something like that kasi you'll never know, di ba? So, I'd suggest a liquid lipstick. So for today, I'm just gonna use the EB liquid lipstick in Sienas. This is also one of the more affordable liquid lipsticks that you'll find in the market, and I actually like this, except that
Drive, yeah. I think that we've all had enough. Yeah, I think that we've all had enough. Sick of dealing with the old plan. They know that we're calling it wrong. You got me like, oh yeah, I think that we've all had enough. Sick of dealing with the old plan. They know that we're calling it wrong. Hey, it's too late to try to go contain it. A generation fueled by creation. We live lives on a small screen nation. We control the airwaves, no negotiation. I refuse to think we need saving. Something good will come from creation. And when we think that the world is too anxious, we'll adapt, evolve, survive, and save it. What keeps you up at night, yeah? Make all the demons quiet, yeah. We were built to thrive, yeah. I think that we've all had enough. What keeps you up at night, yeah? Make all the demons quiet, yeah. We were built to thrive, yeah.